Hello and welcome to my vlog number 11. It's been a great experience presenting these videos to you, and I'm just overwhelmed by the messages I'm receiving over Facebook and Instagram every day asking for more such videos. Don't worry, lots of exciting stuff is coming up your way. So after watching this video, go to YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kanishka Digital Blogs, and stay updated with knowledge in the world of digital marketing. In today's video, I will talk about 4 strategies you can follow to do search engine optimization or SEO for your e-commerce site. Remember, SEO matters for your e-commerce sites. The better SEO you do, the more the number of relevant and paying customers will visit your site. So let's begin. Number 1, keyword research using Amazon Suggest. Yes, Amazon is probably your competitor, but it's also the biggest e-commerce site online, which makes it a product keyword goldmine. Here's how to tap into Amazon for keyword research. First, head over to the Amazon site and enter a keyword that describes your product. When you do, Amazon will list suggestions around that keyword. The keyword Amazon suggests tend to be very targeted and also known as long-tail keywords. Not only do long-tail keywords tend to convert better than short-term keywords, but they're usually less competitive too. Repeat and search for more keywords for your product and include them in your website. Number 2, Wikipedia. Wikipedia is one of the best places to find keywords for products and category pages. Here's why. Just like category pages on your e-commerce competitor sites, Wikipedia perfectly organizes keywords and categories. In other words, they have already done the hard work for you. You just need to go and find out from there. Let's look at an example of how you can use Wikipedia to your advantage. First, enter a keyword that describes a product or category of your site. Then scan the Wikipedia entry for words and phrases that make sense for the products that you have on your site. Pick up these keywords and there you have your long tail keyword list. You can then include these keywords in your blogs or product pages, and traffic will come to your website. Number 3, unique and engaging product descriptions. Some of the most important yet frequently underestimated e-commerce tactics is creating original product reviews that strengthen your identity, reach your consumers, and inform your shoppers, will differentiate your e-commerce platform from your rivals. As an excellent product page sales copy is very much useful because you are marketing items that can be sold on hundreds of other e-commerce sites. And finally, number 4, target long-tail keyword variations in blog articles and content. In 2020, remember that content still dominates. Your blog should leverage long-tail keyword variations in your target keywords and categories for e-commerce stores. It will provide evaluations for the items, how to post. For example, if you are selling shoes, write articles about running, jogging, and how to use shoes to do exercises. Build a website to let people know how they can measure the size of their feet. And yes, the final golden tip, increase your site speed and decrease your page load time. It's very important from an SEO perspective. If you need more assistance with understanding how you can do SEO for your e-commerce site, then do contact me or drop a comment below. And do visit my digital marketing portal, kanishkadigital.com, for more such interesting information and news on the digital world in 2020. Bye for now.